If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. For this for YouTube as well. So hey everybody, welcome it's your boy JRE. We're checking out 17 with their comeback, which the teasers look crazy dope. Everybody in chat, we're live on Twitch. If you want to join in, come through. But if you see this on YouTube, be a little bit late, but it's okay. I got love for y'all. Shout out, hey everybody, welcome. Lucy looks insane. He looks insane. I'm not ready. I don't know. Look at his hair. He's not even it's covering his eyes and shit. Is that like a big human seat that he's sitting on? Like a king? Hold up. Wait, why did it start here? The gin tumbler. Guys, I also have my YouTube video for August the Hagum out right now too. But 17. This is called Super. Is that correct? Chat? See, this is why I like reacting live on Twitch, because I might get my information incorrect, but I'll get the response and correction like this. Yes, Dre. Yes, sir. All right. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. That's a lot of people. Are those real people? This what? No. That's a lot of dancers. That's a lot of people. You tell me if you were to do this live. Look at Woozy. Oh. There is so much to take in right now. Oh my god. Damn, Arms? Mr. Arms, god damn. We get it. You live. Damn. Oh, their outfits are revealing. Woozy. Ooh. Okay. Hey man, this man can sing. Ooh, what the fuck? Oh, what an interesting like anti-drop kind of. Oh my god, the formations though. Okay, is that Vernon with short hair? Love your crew too. Damn, there is way too much happening. We on to the next? Ooh, the I can't even do it. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got the extension. What is this type of beat actually? Ooh. Bro, when 17 says production and performance, bruh, in K-pop, they're one of the best. Oh no, man, not even just K-pop in this world. Every time I go into a 17 concert, lit. What the hello? Ooh. Who produced this beat? Oh, they changed up too. Ooh. Ooh, this shit gonna go hard in the 17 concert, bro. I don't know if they're gonna have the same amount of dancers. Ooh, get it. Oh, thank God. I thought it's not ended. It's not done yet. Oh, it's not done. It feels so full. The song feels so full. Ooh, okay. Sir. Woo! Let's go, Woozy! Get it. This man's so cool. This man's so dope. I'm not gonna lie. Bruh. Look at him. He's serving looks, serving talent. What the hell is this bro? God, you saw the ripple effect? Yo, 17. Okay. Ooh, that's some aesthetically. Oh wait. That was crazy. That's a music video right there. Wait, let me see that ripple effect again. That was fire. Ooh. Alright, wait, I'm going to the bias again. Look at him rise to the... Woo! Hey! 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 Get it! Hey! Get it! Hey! That ripple effect go crazy, real talk. 17 supers, baby. The ripple effect. It's fine. Oh, you're doing filter. Never mind. I thought you were looking at me. K-pop. This, huh? Oh, you were. Oh, the fact that that'll take place in one set. It's all dance. Is it? Well, it took place in one set. I thought you made one like shot. I was like, nah. There was definitely some cuts, but still, this is a performance song, and we already know 17 could perform. Wait, who's everybody's bias in the chat? Actually, let me double check. Let me see the beginning. That beginning was so, like, delicious. Scrumptious. I wasn't sure what to expect from the first note, like, of the beat. And they got like, ooh, excuse me, I burp. Ooh, okay, who's the bias? Okay, we got, oh, and the 17 album's good too? Bet. No CGI though. That wasn't no shot. There was no green screening or CGI. What hotel is this? Word? Like even the dancers? Is that all real people? It probably is. Bro, that beat go hard. Actual building. Is this a hotel? I feel like is this Paradise Hotel? I'm not sure. I need to see the this MV behind the scenes. Yeah, we do. All real dancers. They're all real No, you know, because there's one shot. Look, it looks like kind of like, you know how people like when they hire like extras, but then they had like a CGI to make it look like it's more than the actual people. That's what I thought at first. Like right here when it was like dark. I was like, is that all real? Yeah, that is. That's dumb to even suspect that, Dre. Of course the real dance. Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize to all the dancers here. But damn. Like right here, I'm like. Ooh. I saw on Twitter that the director showed the set. Dang. An abandoned building. Oh, word? No shot. They lit that ish up. I mean, I wanted to wait until you finish reacting to explain that it's based off Dragon Ball Z. No, it's not Carrot Life. The Korean name of the song... Wait, the Korean name of the song is a Korean name for Goku. They do the same movement. No shot. Wait a second. You're lying to me. It is not. I want to wait. Let me read that again. It's based off Dragon Ball Z Goku. You're lying to me. Wait a sec. Oh, Shauna, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. It is. Wait, no. I gotta look this up. You're talking to my like old anime heart right now. 17. Super Dragon Ball Z. Y'all trolling me right now. No. Oh yeah. This is for the album FML, right? I'm literally looking this up. Where does it say this, chat? Woozy came up with the idea too. Ah, of course. That's why he's my bias. Former therapy explained in their. Oh, former therapy posted something about this. Of course, he's a 17 fan. I'm done. It's based off Dragon Ball. not my ass like slamming my cup and looking at this again. It's transmission? Wait a second. That is his transmission for real. Wait. The little. Hold up. Wait, I gotta look at the lyrics now. Carrot Life. You got my head fucked up. English lyrics. Wait. I'm going to Genius. Hold up. Oh, the whole little room. Wait a second. Y'all got me. Korean title of Super refers to Monkey King. Which Monkey King is, yeah. Sonogung. From the 16th century Chinese novel, Journey to the West, the new visuals. Yeah, Korean literally means Son Goku. Son Wukong is popularly known as in Japan as Son Goku. That's so cool. I'm such a nerd. That's so cool. Ooh, 17 right here. Wait, I'm gonna play in the background. Hold up, while we check this out, and let me move myself so we can read the lyrics. Transform. Horizontal. Okay. There we go. Move my chat like right here. I'm gonna play this in the background. So it starts off with Woozy, so badass. 17 right here. That whole beat is crazy. So cute. Oh. Sonogung. Ooh. Feels like I turned into Sonogung. Ah, that's so fun. I love my crew. It's all thanks to you. Sonogung. Pull up on my flying cloud. Okay, Escus did say that. Oh, like power pole, yeah, like Dragon Ball. Oh snap! That's so dope. That actually makes me so happy. Interesting. I just read like the dang. They're literally dressed as Goku. I mean, are they? Because Goku's like orange and like blue, no? No, I believe you, Eduardo. Also, that a shooting star thing like that in every. That's crazy. I mean, they're just like the Chinese story of the Monkey King. Like the shape of the fist, not the colors. Oh yeah, yeah. The Chinese Monkey King is in black and gold, correct. That's so fire. That's so fire. I'm such a nerd. I love it. Thanks, chat. That was quite interesting. And true, his hair, Jungkook's hair. This part's fire. One massive shot, like a Kamehameha wave. Let's go. Bro. The yells in the sky? What? That's so fire with an instant transmission. And this is why instant transmission. And then I edit it and then I disappear. And then I come back up and then that's how you edit the instant transmission. Just take out the other fluff. Oh, thank you, Cat Queen, for the sub, yo. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. How many subs do we have now? 292, bro. Let's get back to 300. We're so close. I know the little thing that starts off with Woozy in his back and Ladino. It's blonde hair, full transfer. Yo, it is. Wait. Like Super Saiyan. Bro, I kind of wish they kind of did it. Like Vernon kind of does have the Trunks haircut, no? Because I was like, I wish he had like the purple silver, and he has silver hair here, or is it purple silver too? Nah, it's Trunks right there, bro. It's Trunks. He's Trunks right there. Oh my god, this makes me so happy. Just that two of my worlds are colliding. His hair is lavender, bro. That's Trunks. It's real. No wonder it is freezing. Oh my god, they legit used the abandoned building. Damn, I've been recording this for 20 minutes. 17. Did your thing. I like it. And shout out to Woozy for the concept. Or like, it's a team effort, I feel. But that was cool. Dragon Ball Z, K-pop. Who knew? That was fire. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna end this reaction. Then we're gonna go to the next one on Twitch. But yeah. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to follow the Twitch. Like everybody here in this chat, y'all hype it up. But yeah, Twitch is lit. I mean, I'm not always gonna be doing K-pop. I do play some video games. I talk about anime. And yeah, come join it. Alright, y'all. Peace. Oh, join the Discord, y'all. Please join the Discord if you haven't already.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.